and welcome. This video is about getting more watch time for free. I will be sharing some of the things that Mr. P does to improve his watch time. The YouTube channel that I will be using as an example is a new channel, about 5 months old. In other words, you are about to see proof that the strategies that you are about to discover actually work for a new channel. A few days ago, Mr. P's classic television channel hit the 1,000 hours watch time milestone. If you are interested in easy ways to get more watch time at no cost for your channel, keep watching. An obvious way to get more watch time is to create videos that your viewers want to watch. YouTube will actually show you what your viewers want to watch. One way that YouTube will help you is suggested videos. As your channel grows, YouTube learns what your content is about. You will find that YouTube will suggest more and more videos that are relative to your channel, relative to your niche. In addition, you can use the YouTube search box to find out if there is interest in a new video before you create the video. Here is how. Let's say that you have a cooking channel. What would be a video that you can create that people want to watch? This is how to bet YouTube to help you. Type in the main word or words that describe whatever you have in mind. Let's type in chicken. As soon as we do, YouTube will give us a list of the top searches. Let's go with chicken biryani, and see what kind of response videos that are about chicken biryani are getting. Videos about that recipe are getting over 1 million views, over 3 million views, 29 million views, and 21 million views. If you want to make a chicken recipe video, YouTube confirms that chicken biryani is what viewers will be interested in watching. This little trick is going to help your channel in 2 ways. Since you are creating videos that viewers want to see, you are going to get more views, and your viewers are much more likely to continue to watch your videos to the end. What this means to your channel, of course, is more watch time. There is another strategy that will help you, regarding your keywords. That strategy is to find keywords that have good search, but lower competition. There is a free tool that will help you to do that. The tool is called Keyword Explorer. It is part of a suite of free tools from Tubrbuddy, all of which will help you with your channel. Keyword Explorer will help you to find the perfect keywords that will level the field for a new channel. Mr. P has created a video that will help you to maximize Keyword Explorer. You will find a link below. In addition to creating videos that your viewers want to watch, and using Tubrbuddy's Keyword Explorer for keywords that score well, you can consider creating more videos. Naturally, the more videos that you can create, the more views your channel is likely to get, along with more watch time. Let's click on Analytics. The reason is that the analytics are going to reveal more tricks that you can use for free to help your channel. As mentioned, this is a new channel. New channels, as you have probably already discovered, have to fight for every view and every minute of watch time. Allow me to share a few obvious points about watch time. Longer videos are usually going to get more watch time. Notice that the second and third and fifth videos are long videos. Even the sixth video can be considered as long. In fact, none of the top 6 videos are short videos, since most YouTube videos are under 10 minutes in length. Consider making longer videos. Do not, however, add fluff. Add value. Creating longer videos for the sake of creating longer videos is terrible advice. Creating longer videos that are packed with more value, such as extra tips, options, methods, strategies, and so on, will mean more watch time. When you create longer videos, what you are seeing is likely to happen. Mr. P calls this kind of video a sleeper. It seems to take a while before it wakes up. The Jeopardy video above was not just a sleeper, it had insomnia, before it finally woke up. This brings us to another ingredient that is going to be the glue to hold all this together. That is faith. When you find something that you want to try on your channel, as you have seen, what I am sharing does work, but, as you can also see, results are not always instant. As a new channel, you are going to have a lot of established and proven channels that your videos are going to be competing with. YouTube is naturally going to favor established channels and content, and we cannot blame them. While you are in the process of proving to YouTube and to viewers that your content is worthy, you can use the tricks in this video to help you to speed up the process. And that is where a little faith can go a long way, when it comes to boosting your channel. As you have seen, even though these tricks work, it took almost 2 weeks for Mr. P's top video to begin to gain traction. So have faith. As mentioned, you will find a link below to a video that will help you with maximizing Keyword Explorer, a free tool from Tubrbuddy. I am also including a link to a video that covers step-by-step the faceless video approach that Mr. P is using to grow his YouTube channel. He believes that of all the ways to make money online, this is the easiest. If you are finding value in this video, please give it a big thumbs up, turn the like button black right now, thank you. If this is the kind of content that interests you, consider joining the channel, so that Mr. P can let you know when a new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching, consider watching this next.